We're going to have some fun today. You're an attorney who has decided to use video to market your practice. Congratulations. But before you can use video successfully, what you have to understand are the psychological motivating factors that get a viewer to convert into a caller. That's critical. Otherwise, you're going to be wasting your time, your energy, your resources to create content that nobody wants to watch. So come join me. I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm the founder of The Lawyer's Video Studio, and today I want to share with you a couple of tips and strategies that will help you understand the motivating factor behind what converts an online viewer into a caller. I'm shooting video here on a beautiful day. I'm at Roslyn Pond Park here on Long Island, and it's a magnificent setting. And I wanted to share with you this information because it's critical that you understand the motivating factors behind what drives a consumer or a potential client to pick up the phone and call you when they're searching for information online. Remember, when you create video, it's not information that you want to put out, it's information that your viewers need and want to know. Otherwise, there's going to be a disconnect, a mismatch. And unless you can get them to connect and match up, you'll never get your videos found or watched. And importantly, nobody will ever find your videos to call you. So, let's go through a couple of things that you need to know about. First, your videos have to be found. Understand for a moment why somebody goes online to search for information. It's because they have a legal problem, or maybe they have a medical problem, and they want more information. A viewer who is going online to search for information will put in a query. They'll put in a search term into Google or Yahoo or Bing or YouTube. And now they'll have a whole bunch of search results. And now they are in search mode. They have to go through and determine which of those results they're actually going to spend time to look at and evaluate. If you don't have an interesting, compelling title, guess what? They'll skip right over and go on to somebody else that has more interesting content. Now you have to capture their attention within the first 3 to 5 seconds. If you can't capture their attention within that time period, guess what? You're going to lose them forever because they're going to think that your video is not interesting. Maybe it's boring. And a lot of attorneys do create boring video. You have to create a concise message that's going to keep them interested for the duration of your message. Once they click on your content, and now you capture them for the first 3 to 5 seconds and they realize you have great content, you have to keep them engaged in your video over the next few minutes. And if you can't create an interesting, compelling story or a reason for them to stay, they will leave and they will never watch the video to its completion. And if that happens, you've lost them forever. The whole goal of creating attorney video is to educate your consumer, educate your potential client, and convert them from a viewer into a caller. That's the whole goal. And obviously you have to have a compelling call to action. If you're missing any one of those segments, there's a very good chance that there's going to be another disconnect. And that consumer will not recognize that you have the content that they need and they'll go elsewhere looking for that information. Well, that's it for today. I'm Gerry Oginski coming to you from New York. Have a great day.